We talk football SA. They say football is a game of opinions, but there is no opinion today. My opinion is working. I am with Masandawane Bravik. Umnikeni Mtungwa lo. Baba, sawubona.
Yebo Mtungwa njani?
Hayi siyaphila. Sizukushisa nokubanda konke kwe PSL.
Wawukhetha iPSL ungakhethi eyaseAfrika.
Siyeza lapha.
Okay, hayi khona kunjalo Mtungwa. Kufanele samukele noma singathandi nje.
Yeah.
Yebo ukuthi hayi. Sibethulela isigqoko abafana bezimnyama nenkani.
Yeah.
Bayithatha ngenkani njengegama lawo. Yeah.
Egameni lezimnyama ngenkani siyethulela isigqoko iSundowns.
Fanele Mtungwa.
Yeah.
Fanele niyethulela isigqoko ngoba uyazi ukuthi uma ungabukisisa kahle thethe ibhola lethu yalifaka kwelinye izinga.
Yeah.
Sesiyahlonishwa manje.
Yeah.
Hayi eAfrika.
Mhlaba wonke.
Mhlaba wonke.
Ngenxa kabani?
Ngenxa kaTopi.
Yeah.
NoPatrice uDoctor.
Dr. Msibi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
If it wasn't for them baba uMtungwa angiboni ukuthi ibhola edlalwa yiSundowns kube senelisile ukufika kuClub World Cup kube sikwazile ukuyithatha lendondo kwesibili.
Yeah.
Kodwa ngephupho labo.
Yeah.
Fezekile. Yeah.
Okay, iSundowns iqeda kuwina iCAF Champions League. Kunjani nje ukuthi mawuvuka ekseni uyi-African champion. Mbona noMwehle emotweni lapho uzalana yabona ukuthi hayi i-champion ngempela la naleli ijazi eligqokile engathi wafika waligqokiswa khona le. Kunjani nje ukuvuka ekseni uyi-African champion?
To be honest baba uMtungwa, you know, when we started I wasn't believing that we would get the second star.
Yes.
But sithe masiqhubeka ngayibona lento ukuthi hayi iphupho leli ngathi lizofezeka impela ke manje.
Yeah.
Ngoba sithe sesila kuma quarter final ngaqala ukuyibona ukuthi izofezeka. Kodwa ngendlela esiqale ngayo belingekho nje ithemba kimi benje yonke into ngiyinikele kuBhakaniya. Bathi into enhle yanconywa Mtungwa.
Yeah.
Uyabona ke ngibuyele kuBhakaniya kancane. Uyabona iBhakaniya ngendlela eqale ngayo.
Yeah.
Belikhombisa ukuthi kukhona lokho elikufunayo.
Yeah.
Kodwa ke iSundowns ngendlela eqale ngayo hawo ayiqalanga kahle.
Yeah.
Ngisho nakhona la kuCAF Champions. They started I think bawina imidlalo emibili omunye angisazi noma bawudwa noma bashayo.
Yeah.
Kubethwe iPremiership hayi angeke ngisachaza okuningi because the way they were performing besimgxeke uKhadoso.
Yeah.
Mina ngokwami ngifuna ahambe. Kwawena impela.
Awuyeke ukukuthemba kwami.
Ungithembile Mtungwa kodwa inhliziyo ibibhlungu uyabona mase ujwayele ukuthi udlisa inkwe esinobhotela.
Yebo.
Bese beyakunika nje uthi hayi awusiklephula usidle sinjalo. Inhliziyo ibabhlungu kuba nzima. And uyayibuka lento when you look at the things you see ukuthi yesh nayi into ingiphunyuka.
Yeah.
Iyahamba impela ke manje. And uyibona ihamba nezitha zakho.
Madoda.
Kodwa ke hayi ngayibona ukuthi yazi ukuthi ungahlala uyitshela ukuthi wena uwe ngeke uzunyuse inyuse izinga kodwa but I thank Orlando Pirates and all the Betway Premiership teams because they upped up their level by so doing. It was a wake up call to our coach Katoso and the whole technical team at Sundowns because that pushed them to see that okay, we have lost the MTN 8, we've lost the Carling Black Label. And after losing the Carling Black Label, we had hopes that we'll cleanse the net bank. But those hopes were dashed away at Solomon Mahlangu by TS Galaxy.
Yeah.
Then when we put pressure on our coach and the technical team, I think they saw that the only thing which can save Sundowns from embarrassment was winning the Continental Championship.
Yes.
Which eventually we did at the end. And, you know, every day in the morning when I wake up, I always pinch myself. Yes. Then to thetwe ithina. Okwesibili.
Yeah.
Laba bethu bazoyithatha kuqala njengoba kuyibo basivulela indlela. iba bazoyithatha futhi okwesibili, but they did not manage. Akwenzekanga. But we thank them because they paved the way for us. They showed us that, you know, everything is possible. And nothing is unachievable if you have got the vision and you have got the commitment to go there. So angazi ngayichaza kanjani ukuthi ngiziva kanjani baba uMtungwa, ngoba uyazi ukuthi every day mangivuka ngithi champion futhi just to add on that baba uMtungwa, just to add on that baba uMtungwa, to be honest, you know, besiyoba inhlekisa kube singayitholanga le cup, kodwa ke ngothando la ngomusa kaNkulunkulu, he saved us from embarrassment, because everyone was going to make us a laughing stock. Kuyohlekiswa ngathina kukhulunywa ukuthi uyabona zama kaningi kodwa ngifiki niyehluleka number 2, kodwa ke thina sesiyenzile lento ebelihlala lisihleka kuyo. Kodwa ke then we had to say, you know what guys, in order ukuthi sigcine izitha zethu imlomo ivalekile, asinqobeni lento
manje. Phela mawuthi into ebeni sihleka ngayo usho kimi noma usho kwababukayo?
Cha, ngisho kwababukayo ngilabalandeli bamabhakaniya, ngisho kuwe Mthungu. Nawe mawulibhakaniya ngisho kuwe futhi nomnjalo. Kodwa
no, mina uyabona kubhala ukuthini la
Nkosi yethu Football Stars.
Ngelinye igama kuthiwa Newcastle Football Academy. Uyabona ngigqokile Adidas ngapha ngigqoke
Alex.
Ajax.
Okay.
Yebo, i-team yami le Newcastle Football Academy ekhaya sidevelop abafana. Sizobuye sikhulume leyo. Manje siyasebenza impela.
Ngiyasebenza. Lento osungibonise yona yazi ngithinta ngaphakathi. Ukhona okwenzeni uMzansi.
Baba, siyabonga
kakhulu.
Siyabonga.
Futhi ngathi nabo laba abaphethe phezulu. Banake laba abasezansi. Hayi ukuthi mayisinkwa sebesidla bebodwa laba bathi hayi niyoyibona lezansi ukuthi nenza kanjani. I wish ukuthi isafa yona ngokwayo. They need to have a big eye and open the eye and only not look on these like the scouts and everyone. Just visit the locations and visit the rural areas to make sure that we don't lose the talent. You know, mangakhuluma baba uMtunga ngombokazi. No one knew Mbokazi.
No one.
And I thank the person who identified that guy. Uyazi mayesemuva lapha lo mfana kubafana bafana.
Nale eMelika phela useduma udlula uMessi lo mfana.
Uyazi lo mfana ngendlela enza ngakhona baba uMtunga. Ninake bengamusanga ku-American football. Le abayidlala ngezandla ngathi rugby. Ngoba ondlekile lo mfana, umzimba wakhe uyamvumela.
No, siyabonga abantu abakhulisa abantwana noma ngabe ulaphi nje mawukuthi nawe ukhulisa abantwana. Siyayibonga lento yenza ngoba akukhona ukuthi bonke bazophumelela ngebhola, kodwa kube ukuthi uyabakhanda ubenza abantu bafunda ukubambisana. Ngisho sebethola umsebenzi, umuntu odlala ibhola noma nje noma imuphi umdlalo kuba lula ukuthi ekwazi ukuphila. So tell me something, my brother. If Sundowns doesn't win the league, who do you prefer between Chiefs and Pirates to win the league?
None of the above. Shooting Mtungwa, if that happens, that Sundowns doesn't win the league. To be honest, if I had to choose between two, I'll always go with Pirates.
Why?
To be honest, you know, this takes me years back. When I was still a young boy. You know, our Mainstay Cup and all those kind of things. You know, Chiefs have been winning these cups against us, not convincingly, but with the help of the 13 men. You see, so
who is the fans or the referee?
You know, to be honest, the fans, I'll put them aside, but the officiating was very bad.
Rothman's Cup.
The Rothman's Cup was worse.
Bob
Save.
No, I'm just counting cups, so I don't want to say if I am a Silela.
No, don't even go there.
I don't want to say Mambush him down.
Don't even go there about those goals. If you look at the PP top 8, I can't remember which day was it, which year was it. But, you know, we're leading 1-0.
Yes.
There was like Referee's optional time
The game didn't end.
didn't end.
Ted Dumitru kept doing this.
Exactly.
Yeah.
But the referee kept saying, play on,
Yeah.
play on. Where do you get this optional time from?
Yeah.
You see, those are the things which hurt us most.
Yes.
And I'd rather like to see Pirates winning the league. I don't care about the hatred between Pirates and Chiefs. It's their own thing.
Yeah.
Eyomtena again.
Yes.
As I say, Soweto zonke.
Yeah.
NangwasePitoli.
So you as supporters,
Yes.
or let's exclude you because you are always in the stadium.
Yes.
I think you are rich the way you attend games.
Hayi bo.
What is the
Hayi.
how important or what is the role of Mamelodi Sundowns supporters to the team?
You know, to be honest, Babu Mtungwa, people need to understand that as much as the players can perform, they need that booster
Yeah.
to see that they are recognized
Yes.
by what they are bringing
Yeah.
to the club.
Yes.
But most people, especially our supporters, I don't know when the wake-up call will come to them that they need to start understanding that it's not about being rich, as you said.
Yes.
It's about if you've got the love for something,
Oh yes.
you push yourself to an extent that umama uma engakunikeza imali yeshebo,
Yeah.
upotsa ngemuva ngale ushaya ikhona uthi majita sivayele ngoba uyangisilwa impiyamentli, which is very
Yeah.
wrong again.
Yeah.
But just because you love your team
Yeah.
and you know that without you,
Yeah.
they might flop. Because if you look at the support for Pirates and Chiefs, sometimes the teams might not be performing to their level best.
Yeah.
But with the amount of the support which they get with their supporters when they come to the stadium,
Yes.
it gives them a boost. They start believing that if they believe,
Yeah.
we can do it
You can do it.
because it's 11 against 11.
Yes.
So imagine Sundowns go head to head with Kaizer Chiefs or Pirates, and no one is making noise for them.
Yeah.
It's just quiet.
Yeah.
When Pirates or Chiefs wins the ball, stadium sonke siyaduma.
Yes.
They will end up being confused,
Yeah.
starting to create mistakes. So
Yeah.
support is very important for all the teams, and for the teams to know that we need to play for the supporters.
Yes.
We're not just playing for the club.
Yes.
There are people who get out of their way,
Yeah.
take the money which they might be giving to their own kids, say, okay, let me pay school fees, pay whatever you need to pay the debt orders,
Yeah.
but I need to support my team because I love it.
Yes.
So people, I think the team also need to understand that as much as Sundowns have made this thing much more easier, it's the only team which can allow the supporters to get into the stadium for free.
Yes.
But we can't always be banking on that the team will always allow us.
Free tickets.
And when it comes to traveling, our supporters are disappointing. And I'm urging each and every supporter for Mamelodi Sundowns that sitting at home won't make your team to perform to their level best. But your voice at the stadium
Yeah.
will make them and say, hey guys, we are not alone here.
Yeah.
Kunabantu abagcwele la stadium.
Yes.
Abazobheka thina.
Yes.
Ithemba labo likithi.
Yeah.
So we need to show them that as much as they have come to the stadium,
Yeah.
asibanikeni lokho abakulanda stadium.
Yeah.
Hayi ukuthi siphume imlomo simide.
Mm.
That's not nice.
So is the Mamelodi Sundowns marketing department doing enough to ensure that Sundowns has enough supporters in Limpopo, KZN, Cape Town, Mpumalanga, all over? Is the marketing team, because the technical team and top management, they are doing their best because they sign the best players and they win things. So is the marketing team doing enough to sell Mamelodi Sundowns?
To be honest, Mtungwa, ngeke ngene kuyo kakhulu kodwa they need to know.
From where you are sitting.
From where I'm sitting,
Yeah.
they need to know.
Yes.
Iqiniso. I don't think they're doing enough.
Yes.
Kunesisho ngesizulu esithi indlela ibuzwa kwabaphambili.
Yeah.
As much as you hate your opponents, go to them and seek advice. Guys, how do you do it?
Yes.
And they will always share ideas.
And they are friends anyway.
They are friends anyway. After
Yeah.
90 minutes, they shake hands.
Yes.
You see?
Yeah.
So, to be honest, I think seeking advice from your opponent is not a bad thing.
Yes.
They must seek the advice that, guys, wherever you go, in all four corners of South Africa, you have got the support which we
Yes.
don't have. what must we
It's
do?
a matter of cultivating.
Exactly. They are there, but
yes.
the cultivators are not being put at the right place at the right time. How do we get those cultivators to be where they are supposed to be? You understand?
Because budget is not a problem.
Budget is not a problem. I think our marketing team, the supporting marketing team, is the one which is failing us. I think this message must go to our president, Topi Musipe. He needs to push them and set targets
to the limit.
To the limit. As we say, our slogan is "Sky is the limit." No one will limit us except the what?
The sky.
The sky.
And the sky is not the limit.
It's not the limit. If you
it's
check.
not a one.
It's not the one. Exactly. Exactly. So I think Topi needs to put a target of each and every supporting market in each province. That at the end of the year, I want you to reach this target. To make sure that you groom these supporters. They understand who is Sundowns, what are they good at, what have they done for South African football. Are you willing to support them? Are you willing to go along with us in this journey? I think there are targets which needs to be set. Because if you look, always when I check on social media, I don't know how many times I've seen that there are a lot of branches being launched all over the country for Pirates and Chiefs. They are doing great. Because even a young kid like this, you hear the kid screaming, Kaizer Chiefs, Orlando Pirates. And you ask yourself, where are the Sundowns kids? We can't only beg on Mamelodi and say just because Pretoria and just say because Sundowns from Mamelodi.
It's a big team.
It's a big team. Now it's not a big team in South Africa. It's a big team in the continent. All 54 nations are bowing down.
We have supporters in Nigeria.
Exactly. No. But we've got also supporters in Egypt.
Yes, all over.
So imagine if the international marketing supporters who are doing it outside of the country, they need to up their game. We're not saying that they are not doing the right job. But they need to make sure. It's a matter of time.
Okay, there's always a room for improvement.
Exactly. But check, Mr. Mtungwa. Always when we're playing against these African opponents, Loftus is packed to full capacity. Why can't we do that when we're playing in our local football? Sometimes you get embarrassed because your opponents, they outnumber you, but you're playing at home. And you ask yourself, guys, what are we doing? I'm not saying that we can overcome Pirates and Chiefs overnight. But slowly, let's get the kids.
Because even themselves, they once had no supporters.
Exactly. They once had no supporters. But if you think, remember, Pirates was the one team before Kaizer Chiefs was formed. But if we can take a lesson from when Kaizer started, he didn't have enough supporters, but he pushed.
He went all over the country recruiting people.
Exactly.
They were wearing suits and what do you call them? Bull bottom. Big trousers at the bottom.
Exactly. Bottom. Those are the real trousers.
I was there. So tell me something. Are you a soccer man or you are a family man? So then how important is the family for a man like you?
To be honest, Mtungwa, above all, my family comes first in everything. I'm a soccer man at the same time. Luckily, I'm married to a woman who understands that this one is crazy about football. But she knows that when it's family time, I put everything aside. And when it's time to be with my kids, time to be with them all, I make sure that I commit to that. So that when the time comes for soccer, they don't complain. The moment when you start shying away from the responsibility of being a family man, that's when you find out that you don't have that luxury of that being given the right by your woman that, you know what, go and enjoy with your friends. It's what you have in life. I can't stop you from that. You need to make sure that when you're a family man, all whatever your kids are looking for, what your wife is looking for, it's in the house and they get everything. And if I had to choose between soccer and family, I'll choose my family first.
Yeah.
That's why the family which I've met through football, they are very important to me.
Yes.
And I respect all of them.
Yeah.
Because when I'm with them, I know that we are there for football,
Yes.
not for anything else.
Nothing else.
Nothing else.
Yes.
We enjoy football, we mock one another. Then when it's finished, I drive straight home.
Yes.
So family comes first. I'm sorry, Sundowns, but the reality is the reality. I love you to pieces, but my family is who I am.
You speak like a man who was given a script.
No, not really. No, not really, Mtungwa.
Yeah.
It's if something is coming out of your heart, imephuma enhlizweni yakho Mtungwa. Ngeke uthithize, ngeke uqalise ukungingiza mawukhuluma ngento oyaziyo ukuthi uyayenza.
Yes.
Kodwa mawusazi ukuthi ekhaya wenzi kahle.
Yeah.
Uzobamba la uyeke. Even if I had to bring my wife along, which you will meet her one day.
Yeah. No, I will.
Yes, you will meet her. Uzomeet uMamhlanga. Makasela.
Mamhlanga sawubona nange sekubiza. Sawubona we mama Mamhlanga, hayi siyabonga.
Ngiyakubulisa umuntu.
Noma sihlangane estadium ufike egezile. Siyabonga. Ewashila akanaso isikofu entanyeni. Siyawubonga umsebenzi wakho mama. Usakhuluma ngoMamhlanga.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You see, Mtungwa bengingenalutho empilweni.
Yeah.
But she picked me from nothing and she believed in me.
Yes.
When I was still in the hospitality industry, ngisebenza emahhotela. Ngehla ngenyuka ngisiya kubo Turkey, kubo Ghana, Namibia.
Yeah.
Sebenzela ama-Legacy Hotels, Michelangelo, Centurion Lake Hotel, Lapati Beach Hotel.
Yeah.
In Ghana, Windhoek Country Club in Namibia, Windhoek. When I was traveling, I thought that I had achieved everything in life.
Yes.
I didn't
You were just traveling.
I was just traveling,
Yeah.
thinking that this is the world I'm living in and enjoying soccer.
Yes.
But the question which you put on the table for me today, are you a family man or a soccer man? She made me to be a family man.
Yes.
So I respect her for that.
Yes.
We've got 2 beautiful daughters.
Yes.
And uyazi ukuthi ngeke kube yibo bodwa.
Yes.
She embraced the kids which I got from the outside.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wangithola nginabo. And she loves them to pieces.
Yes.
I've got 5 kids.
Yeah.
And 1 adopted son. I can say it's my son because when my brother and their wife passed on, they left the child. His name is Fidelis.
Yeah.
He was like 3 months old.
Yeah.
We took over and said, this is going to be our son.
She brought that child out.
Yes, she brought that child out.
How old is the child now?
The child is now 26.
Oh.
He's a fully qualified mechanic.
Yes.
He can dismantle the car, start it from scratch, and assemble it again. So I know where my brother and my sister-in-law, wherever they are, they are proud of their child. I can't say they are proud of me.
Yes.
They are also proud of my wife.
Child.
Exactly, proud of their child and proud of my wife that she did embrace him and said, no, this is my son. That's why probably maybe God only gave me these 5 girls.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1 is in Canada now.
Yeah.
She's a nurse there.
Yes.
Probably that's why.
Yeah.
I think so. Yeah. But to be honest, she's just
Everything.
everything. Angazi ngamchaza ngithini.
She's your Mamelodi Sundowns.
She's my Mamelodi Sundowns.
She's your football.
She's my
your
football.
heart.
She's my heart. She's my entire life.
She's your mdo. I know. No, but
Yeah.
I think that is a lesson to each and every woman out there, that this is how you should behave if you find your man and you find your man with kids, or maybe you find your man with nothing, or maybe you find your man driving off the road when there is a road. I think Mamhlanga is a good lesson. We appreciate her for that. So tell me something now. Did Mamelodi Sundowns do anything wrong to lose the league?
To be honest, Mtungwa, I don't think they did something wrong.
Yeah.
It's only that what they did wrong is that they were at a comfort zone, thinking that they are untouchable.
Yes.
Whereas the other teams, they saw that this team has been like torturing us for the entire 8 seasons.
Torturing?
Yes, they were torturing these teams. It's torturing. And to be honest, they upped their game and said, no, there's something which you can do.
Yes.
We can't always be having one champion all the time. And when we speak about South Africa, we only speak about Sundowns. Yet people, they know that there are big teams like Pirates, Chiefs, and these small teams like Oskukune, Amazulu, Golden Arrows, whereas others, they are no longer the Manning Rangers or Vets and all those Super Sport, which are also blame our Premier League, Betway Premier League, whoever allowed that the status of the team can be bought. That I'm still against it too.
It's wrong.
It has destroyed our football. It has destroyed our competition.
Yeah.
Because now someone who insists that the team is not doing well, they can sell their status. But back to your question, Mtunga, I think where they went wrong is that they thought that they're untouchable.
Yeah.
They thought that, no, we always start like this in the beginning of the season. We'll catch up.
Yes.
But not realizing that everyone has upped their game and they are at a level whereby they say, you know what, when we're playing with Sundowns, we want to prove to them that they are beatable. So that's what happened to them. And when they just woke up, it was already too late. Pirates was gone.
Yes.
If you look at all my interviews, most of them, people used to hate me, saying, why are you always supporting Pirates? Why are you always giving Pirates good comments? I say it's not about giving Pirates good comments. It's about the type of football which they are playing. The truth is, let the truth be told.
Yes.
And also where our coach went wrong, he tried to change everything at one go. While he was supposed to do it slowly.
Gradually,
Yes, we really appreciate what he has implemented at Sundowns. But that came back and bite him at the back. And also, if you see how we lost the league, remember, he said he doesn't want too many players. He wants a manageable squad. But towards the end of the season with the injuries, and
he was complaining.
He was complaining and saying that there's fatigue. The players are injured. But not forgetting what he said in the beginning.
Yes.
So we can all learn from our mistake. I think he has also learned from his mistake. That sometimes he should have just took a step back and said, how did these other coaches manage such a big squad? It was just because it was the vision for Dr. Patrice Motsepe, which he left it to his son Topi, that I want this team to conquer the continent and then conquer the world. So when you want to conquer those two things, you want to make sure that you have got enough squad. That's why at Sundown sometimes you'll find like they were like 4 teams. 3 teams sitting in the stand. One doing the duty on the field because of the vision which they had. Now it's more pressure to him because he has won the continental champion.
But nothing at home.
Nothing at home. And as much as you can win continental, you need to prove also at home that you're the best. So now they need to go to the drawing board and say, where did we go wrong? Where did we mess up? They messed up because they thought that they were untouchable. That's the only fault which I can fault them at. When they just got into the groove, it was already too late.
Other than that, nothing wrong.
Nothing wrong. I can't blame anything. But we'll verge into it as the season starts. We as soccer fanatics will always find something to complain about. Definitely. But instead of complaining, we need also to take a step back and look at it and say, if it was me in his shoes or in their shoes, those players who are performing on the field, if people were putting me so much pressure, how was I going to react to the pressure? Because remember, also when the pressure comes into you, you tend to make a lot of mistakes. Because you don't know what is right, what is wrong.
No, that's true.
That's
true. So tell me, you've been a Mamelodi Sundowns supporter for so many years. Who is your all-time favorite player at Mamelodi Sundowns?
That's a difficult.
Just one. No, you can say there was Mike Ndombela, there was Trotim Loto, there was Roger Fetumba, but out of the 3 or maybe the 5, I will call this one. I will allow that. I know there's been so many stars.
There's been so many stars at Sundowns.
And they are still stars today.
And
you are one of them.
No, I'm in the stars, in the stands, because I love my team. To be honest, Ntunga, you know, for me, Lucky Molefe stands out. Oshkosh, if you know.
Madoda.
He stands out.
Oshkosh.
Yes.
Yeah.
He stands out.
Yes.
He was a natural born leader.
Yeah.
Because if I look at all the stars which came to Sundowns,
yes.
In the soccer field, remember, there's no coach, there's no one.
Yeah.
But there's the captain.
The captain must lead.
Must lead.
Yes.
And during that time, it was when Sundowns were promoted to the league.
Yeah.
And he had a lot on his shoulders.
Yeah.
He had the job of carrying the players and making them believe, since you're coming to bottom leagues.
Yeah.
Now we are facing the professionals. What you did when you were down there, it's time that when you stand up with them, you need to stand toe to toe.
Yes.
You need to believe in yourself.
Yes.
It's hard, but from where he took the players of like Abo Chance Kondwe, Ernest Waya Chirwali, Omahuleho, Harold Jersey Legodi, Queen Iwi Kampule, Phil Masinga, Bennett Masinga,
and myself.
Now, yes, it was like, for me, he stands out.
Yes.
But there are a lot of stars.
Yes.
There are a lot of stars. You know, you mentioned one man.
Which that's why I said there is a lot of them.
Yeah,
just one.
But I'll always give it to Lucky Molefe.
Yeah.
Because he carried Sundowns, he brought Sundowns to Oshkosh.
Ingulube. Yayibona itrack Oshkosh namanje uyizwa mayiza. Uyizwa izaleko.
Uyibona ukuthi nayi sayifika.
Yeah.
Uyithi bo.
Yeah.
Uyezwa ukuthi sayifika.
Yeah.
So for me, people might say, why Lucky Molefe out of everyone?
Yeah.
Because remember, Sundowns were still a young team.
Yes.
That's why I'm giving him this, that he carried us and brought us to this picture where we are. He was the foundation of everything.
Yes.
Yes, Babe Kono Maktombelo Fly, all those people.
Yeah.
But lo amfana umsebenzi awutholayo Mtungwa. Wasebenza. I mean, I'm saying, Lucky Molefe, you did an amazing job at Sundowns, and we respect you for that. And as much as many people might go against me, but I'm saying, job well done. You carried Sundowns, and you made other teams realize that there's a team from Pretoria which can stand toe to toe with everyone.
No, whoever wants to argue with you, there is a comment section below. They can just post who their favorite all-time player at Mamelodi Sundowns is. Yes. So, at Mamelodi Sundowns, we are talking Sundowns more today. Who is the signing of the season?
For this past season, Mtungwa, for me, Leon stands out. Brian Leon.
That guy is an animal.
Yeah, that guy is an animal. You know, if you go back and my face, yamkaya just citizenship.
Yeah.
Angene kubafana bafana.
Yeah.
Ngoba phambili siyasokola kubafana.
Siyasokola.
Straight.
Yeah.
I think lokho esagcina ngoMasinga nje. Nabo Sean Bartlett, nabo Paul Ndlanya, yebo wathi ukuthi, and the talent which was lost at a young stage, which I think it would have done wonders for it. Uyabona uLeslie Manyathelo. Ngiyakhala ngaye Mtungu. And this message goes to all these young players.
Yes.
I don't know what gets into their minds. These sports cars are very fast. You know, when you emerge into something, I think the advisors are failing us and they are killing our players, our future players. Because for me, that guy to drive from Northwest to Limpopo
after a game,
and if you look at the hours which the accident was reported, and you look at the distance, and the distance, he wasn't supposed to be there by that time.
Yeah.
So you see, the advisor, whoever advised, you know, is taking our young talent at a young age. I think if that guy was still alive, he was going to be a legend for Pirates today, because that guy was something. He was our finisher, complete striker. Which
same like Leon, though he was low. He was low, but he was a finisher. Leon is quick. He's a finisher.
And the good thing about Manyathelo is that he was at the right place at the right time.
Yes.
All the time you find him always popping
in the kitchen.
Yes, saying he wanna see what is in the pots.
Yeah,
and he's gonna open the pots and take the biggest meat on the pot.
You know, I remember the day like it was yesterday. I was working at Checkers Hyper, something called it Hyperama in Benoni.
Yes,
in Benoni as a security officer.
Yes.
In the morning, every newspaper had Leslie Manyathela. And then the store manager at the time was Mr. Nick Renate. He had a very loud voice. Nick Renate is an Afrikaner guy. He had a very loud voice. He said, "Who is this Manyathela? Every newspaper, Manyathela, Manyathela, Manyathela. Is he a celebrity or what?" The guy was young, 22, but had already done wonders. We lost a player there.
We lost a player. Even up to today, I'm trying to see all the strikers.
Yeah.
Just compare them and see what exactly is happening.
They can't finish like
that.
Yeah, but
they can't.
No.
Yeah.
No,
but
you said
also,
it.
On that one, I said Brian Leon. Let's not say it about Khulumani Ndamani.
Yeah.
When season started in Mtungwa, Ariel were very poor.
Yes.
Yes, the guy has made crucial mistake which has cost us games.
Yes.
But people tend to close their eye and only look at the negatives but not the positives.
And maybe it's one or two.
It's one or two, exactly.
And the penalty against Stellenbosch, according to me, I think there's nothing wrong. Yeah, it's just that,
you see?
Yes.
But most people now are concentrating to that mistake.
Yeah.
But if you ask me about Khulumani Ndamani, ngizokutshela mina Mtungu ukuthi one, Ariel were very poor.
Yes. Improve that section. Yeah.
And he got our defense organized.
Yes.
We got someone who could work on.
Yeah.
You know what? When Kekana got the red card, when Cupido was injured, when Mdao was suspended, who did you work around?
You had to build the team.
Yes,
on
Ndamani. Yeah. And Morena was injured.
Yes.
Mudiba was also red carded.
Yeah.
But people tend to keep a close eye on that. But Khulumani stood up. He raised his hand that as much as I'm making mistake, I'll try my level best.
Yeah.
If it happens, it happens.
Yes.
And he stood tall.
And mistakes are part of the game.
Are part of the game.
Yeah.
And what a phenomenal player. What an amazing play which he did when we played in Morocco in the second leg. But people don't talk about him and Cupido when he was injured. Brilliant. If it wasn't for those two players, I guarantee you Mtunga. And especially him, Khulumani Ndamani.
Yes.
If he wasn't there with that last minute tackle, where he kicked that ball out.
Yes.
You know what? We were gone.
Yeah.
So for me, even if you ask me which was my best signing of the season, those two players brought stability into the Sundowns in the attacking and also the defense.
Yes.
So Khulumani Ndamani, for me, I would like to urge all my Mamelodi supporters that, guys, it's not all about the mistake. It's about what the guy has brought into the team. If you don't make mistakes, how are you going to rectify those mistakes?
It means you are not involved.
You are not involved. Yeah. You always looking that I'm not gonna be there. I wanna see who is gonna commit that mistake. So for him to commit those mistakes, like you're saying, it shows that he's part of the game each and every minute. And I'm thankful to Hugo Bruce that he saw the talent.
Yeah, I know.
He's still very young.
Yeah.
As young as he is, I think they are the same age with Mbogazi, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
So all I would like to say to him, he mustn't become big-headed now because he's been called to Bafana Bafana.
Yeah.
He knows that he has cemented his position at Sundowns.
Yes.
I would like to urge him that remain as humble as you are, my boy.
Yes. And behave in public.
And behave in public. Yeah.
Don't drink and drive.
Don't drink and drive. Don't now start changing friends.
Start missing
trainings like what our beautiful player is doing.
Yeah.
Who is such a great player, who we are supposed not to be talking about, who is supposed to be in the national team now. But
is that Mbule?
Who else?
We spoke about him yesterday. My heart is so sore.
I'm even paining. You know, for me, remember that guy was on the edge of being signed by Chiefs.
Yes.
When he was still a super sport, when he was still young.
I remember.
When Ngobo came to Chiefs.
Yes.
But Chiefs said, no, we don't want this one.
Yeah.
He started misbehaving at SuperSport, and then Sundowns said, no, we'll give him a chance. They misbehaved at Sundowns with Loche, but Loche came to his senses and said, no, what I did was wrong.
Yeah.
He apologized.
Yes.
But did he apologize?
No.
No. That was the cause that he ended up finding himself as Kukune.
Yeah.
And he was so lucky that Pirates gave him a chance.
Yes. And he did well at
And
Pirates.
he did well at Pirates.
Everybody loved him.
Same
And the
like
haters
at Sun-
hated him.
Exactly, same like at Sundown.
But we don't know why it
I
then
know.
it disappeared.
I used to like Mbulo to bits. He's a complete player. He's everything which we're missing at the national team at the moment.
Yes.
As much as Zwane is doing so much, the edge has caught with him.
Yes.
But
Mbule
should have been the one who was going to replace Temba
Yeah.
Zwane. But now we need to look somewhere else and start finding a player. I'm urging all the young players that, you know what,
Yeah.
when you get to a point whereby you think that you have made it, that's a starting point. You haven't made anything. That's a starting point whereby you need now to start being responsible, carry respect with you.
Yeah.
Always don't mix yourself with things which will get you off what you are doing best.
No, what you are saying is very true. I always tell my boys at Newcastle Football Academy when I have a chat with them that the best players
Yes.
are those who have worked and retired. When you are still who's playing, you are not the best. Yeah. So let's go forward now.
Yes.
Towards the end, I want us to play a short game.
Yes.
So don't be afraid.
I'm afraid of the Betway.
I want you to choose one player here.
Yes.
One player. Brian Leon or Mambush Mutau or Peter Shalulile. It's not easy, but go. The clock is ticking fast, otherwise you are fired.
I'll go with Ash. I'll go with Ash. I'll go with Daniel Mtao.
Daniel Mtao.
Yes.
Thank you. Roger Fetumba, Marcelo Allende, or Jaden Adams.
I'm cool. This one is a straightforward.
Yeah.
That left-footed player, Roger Futumba,
Hey.
always picks my first spot on the top three.
Yes.
Yeah, all good, but I'll go with Roger Futumba.
Okay. Page Mahlangu, Hlompho Kekana, or Tebogo Mokoena.
Guys, but why do you have to do this?
I need an answer here. My producer is looking at me saying the time is almost up.
I'll go with Tebogo Mokoena.
John Tlale, Dennis Onyango, or Ronwen Williams. John Tlale, Dennis Onyango, or Ronwen Williams.
Guys, you're doing things which are not right.
No, it's a game, like I said. It's a game.
I'll go with John Tlale.
Grant Kekana, Joas Magolego, Cupido.
I haven't seen Cupido much,
Yeah.
but he's coming all right. At the moment, I'll go with Grant Kekana.
Tashrik Matthews, Fire Masilela, Alex Panzibapela.
This is too much, guys. This is too much. I'll go with Panzibapela.
Panzibapela.
Yeah.
He was a knife.
That one was a knife. That
Cutting through
that guy,
butter.
yeah.
Hot knife cutting through butter.
Yeah, I'll go with Alex Panzibapela.
Thank you very much. Finally, Bafana is in the World Cup. Are you supporting them? What can you say about Bafana being in the World Cup? And let's also include your friends. I'm a friends way too. They are also there.
Okay. To be honest, Mtunga, you don't need to ask me that question. As long Bafana, wherever they play.
But there's a trend now that people are buying Mexico jerseys. People from Naturena and maybe others as well.
You know what is that?
Yeah.
Those are chest pains.
Yeah.
You know, Mtunga, if you're a true South African,
Yeah.
whether you're your player from your team is chosen or is not chosen.
Yeah.
We're talking about the national team.
You go with your
You
with
go
your
with
team.
you go with the team, the national
Yes.
team.
Yes.
How can I go with Mexico? You ask me one player in Mexico, who do I know? I don't even know anyone. And
Do I know?
no, I don't want to even know the Mexicans. I know the whole team and even the people who are on the bench in Bafana
Yes.
Bafana.
Yes.
Because that's our country.
Yeah.
And it's who are we going to support. Even so,
Yeah.
Lava, but we are Mexico, whatever. They can go to Mexico, it's fine.
Yes.
Whether we lose against Mexico or win,
Yes.
the bottom line, Bafana is my blood.
Yes.
And nothing will change that.
Yeah.
And the message to our fans,
Yeah.
you know, guys, I'm very happy for you. And I think it was about high time that SAFA recognized you.
Yes.
As I'm sitting now with the gentleman who's representing Talking Football, I was expecting that he was also going to be there, but we can't all go.
Yes.
But all I will urge you to do is that what you have done locally, take it nationally now. It's your time to shine, and it's your time to show up what South Africa is made of.
Yes.
We are proud of you, and I'm very happy for you, and I know you'll bring everything what we need to know about what Bafana is doing in the World Cup.
Thank you. This is We Talk Football SA. We say inform, entertain, educate, promote. And I think we've done all of that today. 30 seconds in closing.
In closing, I would like to say, you know what? Firstly, I would like to thank
We Talk Football
We
SA.
Talk Football SA for giving me this opportunity to say and just voice out my views about Sundowns, about Bafana Bafana, and I wish that everyone can be doing the same thing, taking those unrecognized supporters to be seen so that everyone can understand that football is not about the people at the higher level. Also, the people at the lower ground, they also support us. Thank you.
Thank you. This feature, we call it the Big Fan Interview. We'll be having another supporter tomorrow. Umadondo. Yeah, so we're seeing Umadondo kusasa. No, thank you so much. We Talk Football SA. If you want to promote your brand, talk to us on the comment section or inbox us. We Talk Football SA. Inform, entertain, educate, promote. Dango.